好，歡迎大家嚟到呢個 Advanced Audit and Assurance，OK 呢張 paper 嘅 sharing section 啦。咁我係今日嘅 speaker Katie，咁我會喺呢一個sharing section 裏邊咧，我哋會分享下呢一個科目嘅 syllabus 啦，佢個 exam structure 啦，同埋一啲有關 professional skills 嘅一啲 requirement 嘅。好，咁我首先介紹下我自己啦。咁我係喺2008年開始咧，就係全職教 ACCA 嘅 revision program 嘅。咁我第一科開始教嘅咧就係呢一個 Advanced Audit and Assurance 啦。咁跟住咧我就教埋呢一個 fundamental level 嘅 Audit and Assurance 個科啦。咁跟住之後就加咗呢一個 Strategic Business Leader 嘅前身啦，即係P3嘅 Business Analysis 啦。咁再跟住咧就係呢個 Advanced Performance Management 啦。咁咁多年一直都係教緊呢幾科噶啦。OK，咁啊只不過我轉咗唔同嘅公司嘅啫。好啦，咁喺過去咁多年嘅即係經驗裏邊啦嚇，首先我可以同你 share 一下，譬如同 ACCA 之間咧，咁其實我出席咗好多ACCA 所搞嘅 Train the Trainer program 嘅，咁我亦都有機會喺呢一啲 Train the Trainer program 啦，見過唔同嘅 examining team 啦，同埋佢哋嘅 marking team 啦，咁仲有就係啲 exam support OK 嘅同事嘅，咁所以其實我都幾清楚每一科咧嗰個 examining team 嘅 expectation 啦，跟住 marking team 點樣去做 marking 啦，點樣 process 嚇嗰啲分數啦，跟住個 exam support 嚇點樣做一啲支援嘅工作，咁都好清楚㗎啦。咁啊，作為一個國際組織，咁其實 ACCA 都好公開，透明度好高㗎啦。呢啲嘢咁都即係我哋喺個 Train the Trainer program 想知嘅嘢，咁其實我哋問咧 ACCA 嘅同事都好即係好真誠咁樣啦嚇，就係答晒我哋想知嘅，咁所以都幾清楚佢哋嗰邊個運作係點嘅。咁至於當然亦都咁多年啦，咁啊同好多學生即係有好多唔同嘅接觸啦，唔同嘅 sharing，亦都收咗好多唔同嘅 feedback。咁所以我絕對清楚啲同學仔嚇，即係對於呢啲 topic 佢哋會覺得難啲啦嚇，乜嘢 topic 佢覺得需要多啲支援啦，邊啲 topic 其實都 OK 嘅，佢哋都明嘅，都容易 tackle 嘅咁所以我好希望將我咁多年嘅經驗係可以同大家分享啦，特別係同啲嚇準備要考呢一個試嘅同學仔嚇，希望可以幫到手嘅。第一個 topic 我哋會睇嘅就係嘗試去對比下啦，Audit and Assurance 喺 fundamental level 個科，而家去到 advanced level 啦，咁其實個 focus 會有乜嘢唔同嘅？咁呢個 topic 咧，其實ACCA 叫親我講 talk 都好多時會 cover 嘅一個 area 嚟嘅。咁其實Audit and Assurance，我哋講 fundamental level 嗰一科咧，佢個 examining team 嘅設定咧，就係大家係一個 audit junior 嚟嘅。咁如果你熟知係 audit 嘅運作，咁 audit junior 咧就係即係作為一個 audit team member 咧，佢主要負責嘅工作咧就其實就係 field work嘅過程裏邊咧，去揾 evidence 嘅，咁佢會根據嗰啲 audit procedures 啦嚇，去針對internal control 或者個別 account item 啦，佢會揾翻證據。咁呢個係最 core，OK 喺audit and assurance 嗰一科 cover 嘅嘢，因為呢個就 match 翻一個 audit junior 要做嘅工作。咁所以你會見到係 audit and assurance 呢一個科目咧，絕大部分嘅題目咧都係掛鈎咗 internal control system 啦，做 test of control 啦，同埋做 substantive procedures，OK 嗰個 area 嘅。咁但係去到 advanced level 啦，咁佢個設定咧就係大家升咗職啦，就會由一個 audit junior 咧就成為咗一個 audit manager 或者係 audit partner 嘅。好啦，咁佢就會因應一個 audit managers 同埋 audit partner 要做嘅工作咧，就去設定嗰個 question scenario 啦，或者唔同嘅requirement 嘅。咁其實我可以講翻啦嚇，即係嗰個 audit process 裏邊，大家唔同嘅職級喺個工作崗位上面個分別。 好啦，咁當一個客去揾就係 potential client 啊嚇，去揾一個 auditor，想揾我哋幫佢做 audit 啦咁。當然佢接觸嘅就唔會係一個 junior staff 啦，佢會接觸一個audit manager 啦嚇，或者係 partner grade 嘅同事啦。咁所以 client acceptance 即係接唔接一個 job 咧，好少喺fundamental level 嗰一科會問你嘅。但係去到 advanced level 就會啦，因為你作為個 manager 或者 partner，你係有機會去做決定嘅，OK，去接唔接呢一個 job 啦。好啦，跟住就接咗咯喎，咁啊 start work 啦，咁我哋就會有個 planning stage 啦，開始我哋會做一啲 risk assessment 啦，會同個 client 去傾啦，去理解佢個公司發生緊乜事啦，去理解個客有乜嘢嘅風險啦，佢有乜嘢嘅 internal control system 啦，咁又係啦，呢一樣嘢咧，其實係個 audit manager 或者個 partner 做嘅，個 audit junior 好少會喺個 planning stage咧就 start 去參與嘅。雖然我哋喺 audit and assurance，我哋都會有考試裏邊都會有一啲 question 係針對 audit risk 嗰個元素去問你嘅。咁不過個比重咧就唔算好多，亦都唔會太複雜嘅。咁但係去到 advanced level 嘅考試，當然就會貼近翻現實世界嘅場景啦。咁就會針對下唔同嘅行業啦，下唔同嘅工種啦嘅掛鈎咗一啲嘅audit 嘅 situation 啦，咁所以我哋就會要做一啲比較詳細嘅 risk assessment 啦，要諗我哋個 audit plan 要點做啦，我哋會針對唔同嘅 scenario，我哋要點樣 tackle 啦，咁呢個就會喺 advanced level 嘅考試會問啦，因為呢個 planning stage 嘅嘢嚟嘅。咁跟住咧，我哋當然亦都會有一啲題目係掛鈎咗audit 寫 audit procedures 啦，咁因為呢個亦都係我哋嘅任務嚟嘅。好啦，咁跟住之後咧，就開始做 field work 啦。咁 field work 主要就係個 audit junior 啦，就會揸住個 manager 或者 partner 所 draft 嘅 audit plan 啦，就會去執行佢個即係搜集證據嘅過程。咁呢一 part 咧就正如講啦，就會係喺 advanced level 就比較少問嘅，主要都會係 fundamental level 會問得多啲。OK，針對 audit procedures，OK 嗰個元素。好啦，咁跟住之後啦 field work 完咗啦，咁啲 junior staff 咧就會拎住嗰一啲嘅揾到嘅 audit evidence 咧，翻嚟 OK 俾個 manager 或者個 partner 啦。好啦，咁所以咧去到個 partner 或者 manager 就要做一啲 evaluation 嘅工作啦，就會去評估一啲 audit evidence 夠唔夠啦。啱唔啱啦，適唔適合啦，有冇一啲新嘅説法或者新嘅 information，令到可能我哋需要揾更多嘅證據，OK 去 support 嗰個場景啦。咁呢個就係我哋所謂 completion stage 嘅工作啦，就係當 field work 完咗，before 我哋出 audit report 之前咧，我哋會有一啲嘅即係探討啦，喺唔同 area，然之後我哋先至可以去判斷我哋個 audit opinion 係乜嘅。好啦，咁呢一啲工作咧，通通都係audit manager 或者 partner 嘅職責，咁所以喺 fundamental level 咧問得唔多嘅，OK，亦都唔係佢個重點。但係去到 advanced level 咧，咁就係我哋嘅職責啦。咁所以佢一定係有題目咧，係針對呢個 completion stage 唔同嘅情況啦。可能我哋要去評估個 junior staff 揾到嘅 evidence 夠唔夠啦，或者有啲處理啦，譬如嗰啲 misstatement，我哋要點樣處理啦？點樣去判斷佢對個 audit opinions 嘅影響？咁呢一啲咧就係通通喺 advanced level 咧係一定問嘅 subject topic 嚟㗎啦。當然另一個咧喺 advanced level 一定問咧就係個 audit opinions 啦，點樣去定個 audit opinions 啦？點樣去 draft 個 audit report？咁喺fundamental level 好少問嘅，基本上有時會問下 audit opinions，但係佔比唔高嘅，亦都唔係佢核心啦。佢都係就住個 standard 去問，多過話就住一個即係 scenario 好深入咁問。但係去到 advanced level 咧，佢一定會問你㗎啦。OK，因為呢個係個 audit managers 或者係個 partner 嘅職責啦。 好啦，咁除此之外，仲有一個 course topic 咧，就係 other assignment 啦。咁其實 audit firm 除咗幫個 client 做 audit 之外咧，我哋亦都有機會咧做 other 嘅工作嘅，包括一啲 review engagement 啦，一啲 agree upon procedures 啦，或者一啲 compilation engagement。咁即係話，例如我哋會幫個客做 due diligence 啦，幫個客去做針對佢個 cash flow forecast 做一啲assurance 嘅工作啦，咁所以其實我哋仲有其他嘅工作咧，audit firm 係有機會幫個 client 做嘅。咁呢一啲other assignment 咧，亦都係喺我哋個fundamental level 嘅 subjects 咧係冇問嘅，即係嗰個 exam paper。咁就去到 advanced level 咧，我哋就會有一啲 topic 係即係一定 cover 㗎啦。呢一個 other assignment。咁所以呢個亦都即係其實好明顯，因為我哋工作嗰個職責係有幾顯著嘅唔同。咁所以喺嗰個 syllabus 又好啦，喺嗰個exam 嘅即係 question 嘅分佈啦，個分數嘅分佈啦，又或者嗰個 scenario 俾我哋咧，都會有幾唔同 OK 嘅狀況。咁即係話喺 advanced level 佢係會有場景，就係你個 team member 話俾你聽一啲咩嘢啦，或者一啲 team member 可能做錯咗一啲咩嘢啦，咁你點樣處理咧？咁呢個都係喺advanced level 嘅 paper 咧，佢係會有機會出現嘅。第二個 topic 咧，我哋就會講下個 exam structure 啦。咁呢一個科目同其他 advanced level 嘅 structure 相似嘅，佢都係分咗 section A、section B 啦。咁 section A 就係一條長嘅題目就50分啦，然之後 section B 就會包含2條題目，每條25分嘅。Section A 嘅題目咧，我哋通常就稱佢做 question one 啦。咁呢一條題目咧就係 set 喺 planning stage 嘅。咁即係話，譬如香港3月31號 year end 嘅公司，咁可能我哋1、2月咧就會去做 planning 噶啦。咁個場景咧，有時會係一間公司啦嚇，獨立嘅公司啦。咁有時咧個場景係會包咗2間獨立嘅公司啦，又或者係一個 group company。咁佢會除咗 holding company 之外咧，佢會額外針對個別 subsidiaries 咧，佢會俾資料俾我哋嘅。好啦，咁而個資料咧就一定會有 financial data 噶啦。咁但係呢一個科目咧，佢核心咧其實唔係要我哋考我哋計數嘅。咁所以除咗佢有啲 financial information 之外咧，要我哋自己去計 GP margin 啊、operating margin 之外咧，亦都好多時咧佢會俾咗計咗嘅數啦，咁即係所謂我哋講 result of analytical procedures，咁即係條題目咧係直接會俾咗個 GP margin 啊、operating margin 啊、current ratio 啊、gearing ratio 啊，甚至有機會俾個 interest cover 啊嗰啲數字俾我哋嘅。好啦，咁除咗一啲 financial information 之外咧，佢亦都會有啲 non-financial information 嘅，譬如嗰個 number of store 啦嚇，即係間公司有幾多間鋪頭啦，或者有幾多 number of customer 咯。咁所以都係當然我哋都會計一啲analytical procedures，會 compare 一啲 financial result 同埋一啲 non-financial result，咁俾咗啲乜嘢嘅hints 啦嚇，話緊俾我哋間公司咧會有唔同嘅 risk issue 嘅。Section A 嗰50分嘅分佈咧，咁有40分就係 technical mark， 10分咧就係 professional skills 嘅 marks 嘅。咁喺我哋呢一個係 advanced audit and assurance 咧，我哋總共有4個 professional skills 咧，佢會考嘅。咁呢4個 professional skills 咧，喺 section A 個題目都會 include 噶啦。好啦，咁根據過往嘅慣例啦嚇，即係喺 section A 嘅題目針對 planning stage 咧，佢通常 A part 咧就會問你 business risk 嘅，咁就8至10分啦。跟住 part B 咧就會問 risk of material misstatement 啦，咁多數都係12至16分啦。咁跟住 part C 咧，佢就會揀1-2個 risk assessment 嘅 issue 咧，就問你個 audit procedures 要點做啦。咁跟住 part D 咧就會大概有10分咧，就係掛鈎咗呢一個 ethic OK 嗰個狀況啦。咁 ethic 咧喺我哋呢一個 advanced audit and assurance 一定問嘅，咁有時咧佢就會將 ethic 呢一個 topic 咧就擺喺 section B 嘅題目問，咁 section A 咧佢就會揀咗一啲 auditing standard 啦嚇，個別一兩張 auditing standard 問你，有機會係掛鈎咗 planning 要做嘅嘢啦，即係掛鈎咗300嗰張 standard 啦 ，opening balance 啦，咁有時亦都會掛鈎咗呢個 expert 啦，或者 internal audit 咧就會 include 咗喺 section A 問你，咁所以佢就會將ethic 嗰個 part 咧就搬咗去 section B 嘅題目。咁不過係一個 overall picture，正如講啦，我哋喺呢一科嘅考試咧一定係有 around 10分啦，就問 ethic 啦，掛鈎可能 quality management OK 嘅狀況嘅題目嘅。Section B 嘅兩條題目咧，個分數嘅分佈咧係一樣嘅，都係20分 technical mark，跟住有5分咧就係 professional skills 嘅分數。咁communication skills 咧就去到 section B 就唔會問你㗎啦。咁所以咧，我哋剩餘嗰3個嘅 professional skills 咧，佢有時會全部係喺一條題目問咗啦，又或者咧就會佢撈亂啦，佢會問其中2個嘅 professional skills 咧，就會 include 喺我哋嗰個 question requirement 裏邊啦。我哋講下喺 section B 嘅第一條嘅題目啦，咁通常我哋就叫佢做 question 2啦。咁呢條題目咧 examining team 講明㗎啦，佢個 setting 咧就會係喺 completion stage 嘅。咁所以呢一條題目咧就會針對呢一個譬如 going concern 啊、subsequent event 啊，我哋點樣處理我哋喺field work 揾到嘅一啲 misstatement 啊。咁當然最後就係 audit opinions。咁呢一條題目就一定會有㗎啦。咁過往嘅pattern 裏邊咧，就針對 audit opinions 咧，最少都會有5分嘅 technical mark 㗎啦。咁有時因為個場景會即係複雜啲，咁佢可能會去到8分啦。咁而其他嘅就係正如講啦，佢會針對係 completion stage 一啲唔同嘅場景而牽涉可能掛鈎咗 going concern 570嗰張 standard 掛鈎 subsequent event 560嗰張 standard， 針對other information 可能720針對呢一個 misstatement 450張 standard 點樣做咧？咁呢啲場景就會出現喺 section B 嘅 question 2裏邊啦。Section B 另一條題目 question 3咧，examining team 就係話會可以嚟自syllabus 裏邊嘅 section A、B、C、D 同埋 F 嘅。咁而過往嘅慣例咧，通常呢一條 question 3咧都係問 other assignment 㗎啦。咁佢有機會可能會問 due diligence 啦、cash flow forecast 啦、呢一個 forensic investigation 啦，或者一啲 sustainability report 相關嘅 KPI 啊，或者一啲 public sector 嘅 KPI 啦。咁呢個都係即係好慣常喺 question 3你會見到嘅一啲題目㗎啦。咁當然針對啲一啲唔同嘅 other assignment， 有啲問嘅機會率會高啲，有啲係會問得少啲嘅，都唔奇。咁但係通常個 pattern 都係針對 other assignment 咧，會係喺 question 3咧會出現嘅 topic 嚟㗎啦。跟住咧，我哋就講下 professional skills 啦。咁 section A 嘅題目咧，就會係4個 professional skills 咧，都會包含咗喺入邊嘅。咁第一個咧就係 communication skills 啦。咁通常咧就會有 format 嘅要求嘅。咁我哋需要做一個 briefing notes 嘅 format 啦，我哋需要寫 introduction、寫 conclusion 啦，咁就會有3分嘅，佢就會分佈咗喺呢個 communication skills 嘅 mark。咁餘下嗰7分咧，佢就未必平均分配喺另外嗰3個嘅 professional skills 啦。咁commercial acumen 咧，佢就會通常會用 business risk 咧去問你嘅。咁而 risk of material misstatement 就會掛鈎咗我哋第3個 skill professional skepticism 啦。咁而第4個我哋講呢一個analysis 咧，佢就會掛鈎咗個 code of ethics 嚇，我哋要分析嗰個場景，我哋應該要點做，咁佢就會用呢一個形式咧，就會問你嘅。 好啦，咁至於 Section B 嘅題目咧，就唔會再出現 communication skills 呢個 requirement 嘅啦。咁即係話我哋冇 format 嘅要求嘅。咁至於佢點樣分佈咧，有時都好 depends on 嗰個題目，OK 嗰個狀況嘅。咁我哋會講 Section B 嘅第2條啦，我哋掛鈎咗 completion stage 嘅題目啦。咁佢好多時問 analysis 咧，就會掛鈎咗我哋個 audit opinions 啦，因為我哋分析咗個場景之後，我哋最後要做決定，我哋俾一個乜嘢嘅 opinions 啦。咁有時可能就係譬如啲下屬發現咗一啲奇怪事情，要翻嚟問你咧，咁佢會掛鈎咗 professional skepticism，OK 嗰個技巧會問你嘅。好啦，咁至於Section B 第3條題目啦，咁就 other assignment，咁佢通常成條題目咧，未必就針對嗰個 other assignment 可以問晒，咁所以佢會分咗咧，可能 part A 咧就會問接唔接呢一個 other assignment 嘅，咁一講親接唔接一個 job 咧，佢就會掛鈎咗 commercial acumen 問你啦。咁亦都可能會因應唔同嘅 assignment 個特質啦，譬如我哋講 cash flow forecast，咁可能會掛鈎多啲 professional skepticism 啦，forensic investigation 會掛鈎多啲 professional skepticism 啦，OK 嗰個情況啦，咁所以都好 depends on 個場景 ，OK 嗰個情況咧就會多啲比例咧係會邊一個 professional skills 會用多啲嘅，咁呢個就因應嗰個題目 OK 嗰個 matching 啦，咁亦都呢個 matching 好logic 嘅，即係唔會話好奇怪地叫你去講 professional skepticism， 但係就問緊你一個audit opinions OK 嘅狀況，咁就會比較少嘅，咁即係全部都好順理成章嘅。咁其實對於我哋嚟講，呢個 professional skills 咧，其實係同我哋個 question requirement 咧係並軌去諗嘅。咁所以你唔需要特登話我為 professional skill 去諗啲乜嚇，因為嗰個 professional skills 就係 match 嗰個場景 match 個 question requirement， 咁好多時我哋會講緊一個元素咧，就係 professional skills 嗰個 requirement 同嗰個 question requirement 一拼同一個方向去諗咧，其實你係兩吃嘅，即係話你 technical marks 你會攞到，因為你答得啱啊嘛，你方向正確啊嘛，咁亦都同時間會幫到你攞 professional skills，OK 嗰個分數嘅。咁當然針對個別嘅 professional skills，我哋會有啲小技巧嘅，OK 咁。當然呢個係會針對嗰個 question 嘅探討嘅時候，你就可以掛鈎一齊去諗啦。咁亦都可以輔助到你喺 professional skills 嘅分數咧，亦都攞埋啦嚇，唔好少咗啦。OK，咁呢個就係好即係都係嗰句啦，好因應個場景嚇，掛鈎一齊去討論嘅。咁呢一個咧就係 professional skills 講緊20分 OK 嗰個嘅分佈啦。咁我哋當然唔好放棄啦嚇，即係20分好重要嘅對我哋個考試。咁所以我哋會攞翻一啲 past paper 嘅時候咧，咁你就會針對性咧就會去睇啦。咁啊睇到我哋點樣去攞我哋個 technical mark 嘅同時，可以針對一啲小技巧咧，令到我哋 professional skills 嘅分數咧都可以攞埋啦。希望呢個 sharing section 可以幫到大家啦。如果大家有其他嘅問題針對呢一個考試啦嚇，或者我哋 course 嘅資料咧，歡迎大家咧就同我哋聯絡嘅。